Welcome. Welcome to my bioremodel project on Dr. Mark Kittleson by Evan Olson. How did he become involved? Well, he, first of all, graduated from the U of M. His degree was in veterinary medicine. Um, he did a lot of schooling. So first of all, he did a residency in Kansas University. He also had a PhD at Ohio University. And then after all that, he did another 4 years at Michigan State. Again, just a lot of schooling. And he also was the president of American College of Veterinary Internal Medicine, also known as ACVIM. Interesting hobbies and facts about Dr. Kittleson. He was in 2007. He was on Animal Planet. He was running for something, and he was a finalist for the Animal Planet Cat Hero. And he also, over his lifetime, he has published over 100 publications in 30 chapters and volumes. He was also a professor of the Department of Medicine and Epidemiology. Well, what I most reside about with Kittleson is the fact that he loves animals so much, and just like cardiology in general. I think is learning about the blood and all that. It's really fascinating. It's also very unique. His job is very unique in that way as well, and he's very dedicated to it. And he wants to teach others about that. And he also wants the main degree that I want right now. So speaking of his field, he he deals with cats. So he deals with felines in basically with the heart, and doing a lot of research focused things on the heart. And so if you see in the picture here, we have a normal cat heart, which looks again normal, and then and what he works with a lot is hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, which is basically some thickness in the heart, which causes heart chambers to be narrowed, and eventually blood does not get through, which is definitely a huge problem. and and it also shortens the lifespan of cats by 2 years, which is also another interesting point. So yeah, and it also enlarges the heart, making it less efficient. In one of Dr. Kittleson's most recent research projects, he he his paper was called "The Classification of Feline Hypertrophic Myopathy Associated Genes According to the ACMG Guidelines." And these are basically odds determined for HCM, or hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, and depending on what type of cat breed it was. So I know this is a lot of numbers to look at, but it's so basically on the side over here we have the 5 different types of breeds. We have the variants right here. We also have the genotypes along in the brackets right here. And this row is the homozygous wild. This is heterozygous. This is the homozygous variant. And then this is just the percent. So this is one of the tables that was presented from the research that I did on his on the thing. What he has uncovered was a dilated cardiomyopathy, which is pretty much the enlarged heart and all of the things related to the heart and cardiomyopathy in general. He also got the Ralston Purino Award in 1989, which is a long time ago, but he's still doing research. He's actually been doing research for 27. He actually taught for 27 years, which is quite a long time, I would say. And he's done a lot. He's really furthered. He's done so much research in general. He's very research based, and he basically has made a lot of improvements and a lot of significant pushes within cardiology, especially within cats. And here's my reference list. Thank you so much for watching this video, and have a good rest of your day.